Growing up in America, you're surrounded by traditions. Baseball, rock and roll, cruising Main Street. One that sticks with me was coming home and seeing my old man in the driveway waxing his car, always with Simoniz. It was the standard back then. "I'm Simonizing the car," he'd yell to Mom when she'd call him inside. So today, when I see the Simoniz name, it always takes me back. It's not just a brand, it's a history, a seal of quality. You know what you get with Simoniz, and I know that future generations will see it too. Simoniz, more than a brand.